Let's get to First Alert meteorologist Steve Sosna. Good morning, Steve.
Good morning, guys. Yes, the wind will be the big weather story of the day for this hump day, too, as we look at these milestones to get over. The hump will be the wind here weather-wise. That wind, not really an issue right now, but between 10 o'clock this morning and 10 o'clock this evening, we will see wind gusts 45 to 55 miles per hour, and not even out of the question in parts of Carroll County, some of those higher elevations, 60 mile per hour wind gusts possible. Along with that is not cold, it's the opposite. It is our mildest day of the year so far. Right now, winds on the eastern shore generally between 15 and 20 mile per hour gusts, north and west 20 to 25 mile per hour gusts. Next couple hours, not too much in the way of wind, so you can secure things down if you need to. 39 in Parkton, 40, good morning to you in Owings Mills, 42 in Annapolis, 39 in Chestertown. The wind is already whipping off to the west, so it's just an hour by hour situation. The timeline for us and the winds really cranking 9 to 10 a.m. That's when they really start to kick, and then by, let's say, lunchtime through about 5 o'clock is your window of strongest winds, 45 to 55 mile per hour gusts. We're 43 at 9 in the morning. We're in the 50s here this afternoon. Some places may touch 60 for the first time of this new year. All right, that is an update to your forecast. We'll walk you through those neighborhoods, the strongest gusts hour by hour in your First Alert forecast. But it is 6:13. It is a First Alert weather day. The reason why the wind will be an issue, as you can see on our WJZ Outback right now, wind not a problem in Baltimore or many of our neighborhoods at the moment. Big story, it's a milder morning, 38 degrees your current temperature. You're not throwing on the real heavy coat here for today, that's for sure. In fact, it's the opposite. It's going to be the warmest day of the year so far as temperatures surge into the mid to upper 50s. Some spots, not out of the question that you hit 60 degrees. So the alert day is for the strong winds, not the cold this time around. So there's wind gusts 45 to 55 miles per hour. It's a winter beauty on Thursday. Temperatures up around 50, sunshine, not too much wind. A rainy, windy Friday ahead of us, and then that storm clears. Perfect timing here for a dry and chilly weekend. Wind advisory in effect here for the entire viewing area. Wind warning now from, let's say, Frederick County on west here. Now, I think wind gusts, even in Carroll County, may approach 60 miles per hour this afternoon. The rest of us, 45 to 50 miles per hour, but up along our northern tier of counties, northern Baltimore, Harford, and Cecil County, you may see some 55 mile per hour wind gusts as well. So during this time, it's good just in case you lose power to have your phones and your tablets charged, secure any loose outdoor objects, trash cans, whatever they have out there. They could go airborne here. And watch out for some falling tree limbs too. Luckily, the trees don't have their leaves. That's a big help for reducing power outages, but you still could see some debris on the roadways and bridge and travel restrictions later on this morning. Certainly possible. Right now, the big story is our mildest morning, I think, of the season so far. 41 in Baltimore, 41 Westminster, even McHenry, 34 degrees. There's the weather maker right there that will bring in the winds coming in, let's say right around 9 to 10 a.m. They become noticeable, and then this afternoon, that's when the winds are really cranking. I think our in-house model underdoing the temperatures, mid to upper 50s today, similar to yesterday where we overachieved and hit 50 degrees. So today's highs in Carroll County, probably low to mid 50s, winds gusting 30 to 40 miles per hour early on, and then this afternoon 50 to 60 miles per hour on your corner in Queen Anne's County. So from Willoughby over to Queenstown, low to mid 50s, Kingstown up to Crumpton. We're going to be in the 50s here. Wind gusts 45 to 50 miles per hour. 58 today, but 28 degrees tonight. That wind's still busy, so wind chills back down into the teens. Good morning and welcome back. It is a WJZ First Alert Weather Day. There's a live look from our harbor camera right now. It is going to be one of those days where you will feel the wind. You won't necessarily see it right away, but it will be out there. We've issued that alert day yesterday to get you up to speed. So here is what we're expecting for today as we break apart our First Alert Super 7-day forecast. The winds really pick up between, let's say, 9 and 10 this morning, 30 to 40 miles per hour. Then after 9 a.m., we are looking at wind speeds 50, 55 miles per hour with, I think, the strongest wind gust over northern areas of Carroll and Baltimore counties where nearly 60 mile per hour gusts are possible. For the rest of us, 45 to 55 mile per hour wind gusts right through 10 o'clock this evening. So that's when the winds step down. 50 on Thursday. It's a winter beauty. Rain on Friday. It's a steady rain, the kind of rain that the ground absorbs. There could be some localized street and highway flooding in those poor drainage spots, but this is not going to be a flooding event. And then by Saturday, we welcome back the sunshine and we'll hang on to a dry weekend for your first weekend of February.